You quite finished?
Rolling. What's going on YouTube, it's GadgetsBoy, and today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new Oppo Find X, but this is not the standard edition, this is the Lamborghini edition. Even the packaging says money, 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 money. Like on the side you got Lamborghini automobile, Lamborghini embossed there on that side as well. It's got that nice color combination as well. I'm actually loving this. So compared to the original version, this has got a bigger memory, so you got 512 gigabytes of storage in there, which you can't expand, but that's a lot of memory. That's a lot of storage to have on a phone anyway. You got 8 gigs of RAM. You got latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset in there. You got all screen display, which we'll show you guys in a second when we unbox it. And I remember just opening this for the first time, and the smell is just like, oh. I mean, Oppo, if you sell that perfume as well, whatever you sprayed in here, let us know what it is. It smells so, je ne sais quoi. Man, right, let's get down to it. Let's unbox it and see what you get in the box. Okay, so here it is. You get the phone first on the main box. Let's just pull that up for a second. So you get the charging block. Like I said, this is faster than the normal fast supercharge that you get. So this will charge back up full charge within 35 minutes. We're gonna put that to test, Oppo, but I believe you. This is super fast. So this has got Lamborghini branding on it as well, USB Type-C. You can see there it's got that super VOOC charging system there. Nice to have. Again, here you got the headphone in there, which are quite special. I'll show you guys that separately. And here we get the USB Type-C cable, which is braided as well. So again, it's gonna stop it from tangling up. So here's the headphone itself, which comes in this nice charging case. Again, this is USB Type-C, so you can use the charger back up. It's got that Lamborghini automobile, Lamborghini branding on it as well, which is super, super slick. I feel like for the price of the money, you're getting more premium here for your money compared to the iPhone X, the iPhone XS, XS Max, whichever one you want to buy. I feel like you're getting more for your money here. So this is a pair of headphones itself, wireless headphones. That looks super, super slick. You got light indicator in there as well, so you can check it out if it's got battery life left in it at all. Let's just take that out so we can get a closer look here. Look at that. It's got that pebble shape, carbon fiber finishing on it as well, which is really cool. In fact, let's pop that in my ears, see what that looks like on. Oh man, I'd actually wear this out and about rather than the Apple AirPods or whatever they're called. I think this looks way slicker, looks nicer to wear, and it feels comfortable as well. I don't think it's going anywhere as well. Looks really nice. Yeah, that's that. We haven't even touched the phone yet. Let's have a look at the phone. So on the phone layer of the box of the packaging as well, there's a side pocket here, so you just have to slide that out. And here you get user manuals, and you also get this carbon fiber casing that I can see here, which I think you're gonna want to put on your phone, especially if you've paid that sort of pricing for it as well. So here you get all your user manual. Just take that out. You got SIM ejector tool there, which looks pretty slick. That's probably the only thing that's not branded as Lamborghini here. Let's have a look. Yep, that's not branded, but it's got that Oppo logo to it, as you can see there. And user manual books, give that a read if you really need to. And that slick case in here looks really nice. It's got Oppo and Lamborghini on it. It's looking very luxurious and premium. It's slick as well. I don't think it'll add too much bulk to your phone, but we can check that out as well in a second. And here is the phone itself, doing the honors of peeling this off. I feel quite nervous actually playing with this and taking all this off. I feel like I might just drop it. I'm quite worried about that. But anyway, you got the Lamborghini imprinted there as well, which is really nice. You got that carbon fiber finishing. Just take this off as well, which is, oh, this looks so nice. On the front, you've already got my fingerprints on there. But you got screen protector on there, so you can either leave it on there or take it off. It's entirely up to you. On the side, you get your power button as normal. On this side, you got volume rocker buttons, and on the top, you got indicator light, I believe that is, and microphone. That's where it slides up as well. I don't even think I've told you guys about the sliding mechanism there for the camera to reveal the camera. And on the bottom there, you got where your SIM card goes and your USB-C port as well, speakers and so on, which is pretty cool. Let's power it on. Oppo powered by Android. I was hoping they'll have a big Lamborghini brand in there as well, but that's not going on here. Find X, nice animation. It's all screen, as you can see there. The bezel, there's rarely any bezel there. Screen, like edge to edge display. and so on. Let me quickly set this up. So here it is the case that I was talking about. So we just pop that in here. I think I should definitely do that first thing first, providing my track record of phone security. So that's in place. You get the cut out there for the camera for when it slides up, and it just looks really nice and slick. There's no added extra bulk to it at all. It feels like it's in a wallet. It's actually made just for this, which is really nice. And then once you power it on, it's nice and clicky. You can see there you got the Lamborghini branding. Even the icons, as you can see there, it's all like specially made just for this. You got all the Lamborghini kind of design going on here. I think the best thing for me to show you guys as well, which is quite interesting and really cool, is the camera, the way that it slides up. So let's do that again. Let me just come back out. So if I just pop it there, you can see how that pops up in a second. If I press the camera, that just slides up. Really nice and quick as well. Take a couple of shots, why not? One of my biggest concerns as well is how quickly that will pop up and down for when I need to unlock it using Face ID. But check this out. Keep your eyes on this area. So if I need to unlock my phone, just do that. Swipe up. Look how quickly that just works. That is so smooth. Let's do that again. One more time. In fact, I'm going to change the settings on the lock screen so that I can just use it using the power. I can just use power button to unlock it rather than having to swipe up. So I've changed that settings now. Let me just lock that. Oh my God. So here it is from a different angle. You can see here. So I just press that. Really nice and quick. It just goes up and down. It makes a little motorizing noise when it does it as well, which I kind of like it in a way. I don't know why, but I kind of like it. So yeah, really, really impressive. So there it is. That's the unboxing and a first look of the Oppo Find X, the Lamborghini edition. I really like this. For some reason, I'm really taken to this. I'm fascinated. I love technology that just impresses me. And that alone, it's just impressive. It looks premium. It feels premium. It looks nice, the casing. Yeah, I'm looking forward to trying it out and bringing you guys a review. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell button as well so you'll be one of the first people to know every time we upload on this channel. In the meantime, I'm Tommy. Thanks for watching. Wait, let me just do it one more time. Catch you guys on the next one.